terms of research, for me, the most burning question is to solve the issue of the heterogeneity of this disease. We know that this disease, and probably in contrast to psoriasis, atopic dermatitis is a very heterogeneous phenotype. And we have a lot of information about the heterogeneity in terms of clinical features, the heterogeneity in terms of mode of action, heterogeneity in terms of age of onset, and many other aspects. So that's something which is very important to understand, because currently the treatment is still based on a kind of one-size-fits-all approach. So we are all trying to use the same medications, the same kind of treatment for all the patients. And I'm convinced that this is not the right strategy. The right strategy is to better understand the heterogeneity. What are the driving forces in atopic dermatitis, for example, in small children, very early stage? What is the most important events going on there compared to what is happening in older children or adolescents? And in contrast, what is happening in adults, for example, or even in older patients in the silver generation, where we see currently a number of patients coming with a newly developed atopic dermatitis, for which we have absolutely no explanation why they get this disease so late in life. So, in fact, we are currently addressing this by a huge program of research addressing the issue of the phenotype on one hand, collecting biomaterials on the other hand, and trying to connect these informations of phenotyping and biomarker, genotyping, and many other experiments to bring everything together in a quite innovative approach in order to understand the heterogeneity of this disease. And this is the basis for the new kind of treatment in the future, which is based on precision medicine. The typical aim is to target the right patient, to provide the right drug at the right doses, at the right time point, in order ideally to have a kind of disease-modifying strategy which enable us to control the disease and to control the comorbidities, which are asthma, rhinitis, and many others.